5 ways to deal with seasonal depression. 1. Light therapy. Exposure to light has proven to be very, very efficient in changing your mood and boosting your mood and improving your quality of life if this is something that you've been struggling with. Going outdoors, just spending time outside, maybe going for a hike or going for a walk, could be extremely therapeutic. Being active can be really, really great to get the endorphins going and to get the dopamine released in the brain so that you feel more confident, happy, and bright. Talking to a therapist or a healthcare professional. Talking to a professional can be extremely helpful, especially during this time of year. You have been struggling with your mental health and you feel that the coping mechanisms that you have utilized are not improving your quality of life or your mental health, then it's definitely recommended to speak to a professional who could provide you with resources tailored to your specific and individual needs. Exercise. Hitting the gym or just exercising at home can be extremely, extremely helpful. Physical exercise not only improves you as far as sculpting the body and making you feel better about yourself as far as confidence-wise, but it also improves your mental health and provides you with a sense of fortitude in every sense of the word. Taking supplements such as magnesium and other helpful supplements that have proven to be extremely helpful in quality of sleep and overall mood can be extremely, extremely helpful. Feel free to talk to your physician to get information in regards to exactly the amount and the dosage that you should be taking. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment. If there's any resources that I did not cover that you feel should also be added to the conversation, feel free to add it to the comment section and we can definitely continue this conversation. Let's keep it going, y'all. Let's continue to talk about this because there's so many people suffering in silence and it's really important that they get the help that they need. Love and light. Peace.